for my subject, the first and foremost, most important is to read the question at least twice. Please spend the time on reading the questions. Even if it is taking more than 15-20 minutes, the reading time, no issues. Analyze the question and see if there's any twist or turn. That's where physics paper is very smart. And smart students are required for this subject, right? And I'm sure all of you are smart. Next, make sure while answering, your answers should be based completely on the language of the question. You are not going to write the related answer. You are going to mention the language of the questions. Next, simply while writing, make sure you're covering up each and every technical word. That's where you will get the marks for the technical words. Eventually, do your revision. While doing the revision, it doesn't mean that you will cross-check whether you've attempted every question or not. However, you will think after reading the question. You're not going to look at your answer. You're simply going to think, what are the possible answers? If there are other possible answers, cross-check again. That's what revision means. And second thing, if there are no alternate answers, simply you have to cross-check whether if there's any additional point which can be written into it. That's it. Once you've done your revision, come out, enjoy. All the best for your boards. Thank you.